What's up, everybody? Kawaii Arcade Masters are here.
Hi guys.
Oh my goodness, look at the Kirby lottery. They already ran out of A, but they still have 2 Bs. Let's play. Yep, that's what's left. Oh my gosh, they're so cute. Huh? I'm in line waiting to play, looking at the snacks while I'm waiting patiently. Uh-oh. Someone else is playing. Uh-oh. I think someone else ahead of us is going to play. Think B, think B. B, B, B. All right, good luck, honey. Oh my goodness. These prizes are so cute. I'm so happy to play. Yes. Okay. That's a plate. Flash! Oh my goodness, this is your lottery. My Hero Academia is my lottery. Kirby is your lottery. Wow! Ooh, get a Kirby one. Get a pretty Kirby one. Ooh! Only one? Only one F? Oh, we gotta win more Fs. Seashell? The pink one. Pink with the star. Yeah. The C? Yeah. Oh, how cute with the Kirby 30th. Yes! Either one. They're both cute. Okay. That's the B. And one D. D-shell? Okay. So, Ichi-ni-san. D? D? Oh, the first one, honey. The first one. Yeah, the first one. They're all cute. Arigatou gozaimasu. You're asking me which one? I'm like, they're all cute, and we're gonna play again, right? It's not the last time we're playing this lottery. We gotta find the A. The A. Oh my gosh. Yay! Did you count 5? Okay. Is that for Michaela or for you? Okay. Okay, good luck. D, nice. D is a cup. Oh no, plate. D are plates. E is I think a file folder? B! You got B! Yes! Alright. E. Oh, this is the free lottery. D. Okay. B show D D E E. Okay. Hi. Oh, they're big. Oh, B. You want to hold it? Oh, nice. Yes. Isho. Oh, we get to pick 2. Oh, oh. Oh. Isn't that Michaela's favorite? Who's Makoto?
This one's mine.
Okay, that one's yours? Okay, we pick Futatsu? Futatsu. Okay, so this one.
This is mine.
That one's for you. Okay, and who? Makoto? This one's Michaela's favorite? This one? This one? Okay, yeah. Okay. Kore onegaishimasu. You're cute. Oh, you get to pick 2 plates, honey. Okay. Oh, pick any 2. Hi. Oh, this one, or this one? Oh no. Okay, one of those and that one. All right, good choice. Yay! Hi. All right. Good luck, sweetie.
All right, let's see.
This is the Demon Slayer lottery we found. That's pretty interesting.
Yeah, I figured that was gone already.
Right?
Okay.
H, J. There's a D figure.
They have a lot of J's.
Do they? What's? Oh, that's the blind box keychains. Okay. My battery ran out. Why is it all the time when I'm taping the Demon Slayer lottery, my battery runs out?
I have no idea.
So we spent 10 tickets, won the D, and then learned there was only 9 left. No other figures to win. But look at that last prize figure.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, it's worth 9 tickets. Mm-hmm. Good job.
Awesome find.
Konbini hunting day, yay! Whoop, battery died, now this died. Great. They didn't have any lotteries to play, but oh my gosh, look what I found in the ice cream section. I took it all. I bought them all. We're in the month of May and they still have the gingerbread ice cream bar. Oh, yes. Big find. Big find. Oh, and the pizza and pasta. Yes, you guys. So we always get this pizza, so good. But they have a new flavor. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Yes, absolutely. Thank you. All right, good luck, sweetie. We need a number 2 or a number 7. Those are the figures. Number 2 or a number 7. Oh, you got 2 and 7 in one ticket. Oh my gosh. Cute. Oh, number 26 and number 27. Yay! Oh, but we didn't get the last 2 figures.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay. Aw, no lotteries. Fried rice? Yes, please. Ooh. Dessert too? Ooh, fancy Haagen-Dazs ice cream? Creamy cone. Ooh, can we get a couple of these? Ooh, yes. Oh, the Kirby lottery is sold out. Oh, and the big prizes are gone in that lottery. Well, I think our lottery hunt is done for today. So let's just get some snacks and head home. Ooh, yum, yum, yum. Speaking of food, we went to Denny's a couple of times and I forgot to put them in videos. So if you'd like to see some delicious food, here's that video footage. Oh, back at Denny's again with the new menu items. The last time we were here, they had special berry desserts. This time it's melon. Ooh. Ooh, that's what Makai is getting. It's really good. See? Well, I think this is the first time I didn't finish my dinner before the desserts came out. I guess I was taking too much of my time.